Come by the hills to the land where fancy is free, and stand where the peaks meet the sky and the lochs reach the sea, where the rivers run clear, bracken is golden the sun, and cares of tomorrow must wait till this day is done. Come by the
don't know who this is, but I've just stopped by the roadside a couple of minutes.
where life
Looks like they're just starting to plough this field, so
and sing
I'll just stay for a couple of minutes
while
and
the
push on
birds
and find anything else to
fill
film today.
with their joy all day long, where the trees sway in time.
I'm actually filming in this field before with Charles the man
The
Lockhart.
wind sings a
Lockhart,
tune,
not Lockhart. When he was
and
combining for
cares
DW
of tomorrow
a
must
couple of years ago. Was it around that
this
time anyway?
day is done.
So the land's just starting to dry out. It's been very, very wet. It looks like this has been burnt off, sprayed before it's been ploughed.
By the hills
It looks like a 64, 65, but there again it's quite a distance away.
remain,
Could be wrong.
where glories of old stir the heart and may yet come again, where the past has been lost, the
I thought it might have been busier. I've been out and about today, but not very much happening. So it's quite surprising.
And cares of tomorrow must wait till this day is done. Yes, the cares of tomorrow must wait.
Anyway, I'll push on
This day
and see if we can find anything else to film today. I'll maybe just hang on and see if we can see the number of the Massey Ferguson here. It's maybe actually 54, 55.